In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in WhatsApp Web. By the end, your chats will be easier on the eyes, especially at night, and the interface will match your preferred look across devices. Start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result so you land on the web page with the familiar WhatsApp layout. If you see a large QR code in the center of the screen, you're in the right place. It's a good idea to bookmark this page if you plan to use it regularly. Next, sign in so the web app connects to your WhatsApp account. If you use the QR method, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the section where you link devices, and scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. If you see the option to log in with your phone number instead, select it, enter your number, and follow the on-screen prompts to verify. Use the same account you use on your phone, and only enter codes directly on the official site. If the page seems stuck, a quick refresh usually resolves it. Once you're inside WhatsApp Web, open Settings. You'll find it by clicking the menu icon or the gear icon near your profile. In Settings, select Chats. This is where you control appearance preferences related to your conversation view. Inside the Chat section, click Theme. This opens the appearance options, where you'll choose how WhatsApp looks on the web. Select Dark to switch to a darker color palette immediately. This option reduces glare and makes text easier to read in low-light environments. If you prefer your apps to adapt automatically, choose System Default. With that option, WhatsApp Web will follow your computer's light or dark mode setting, changing as your system changes. If you ever want the original bright look, you can switch back to light the same way. Finally, click OK to apply your choice. The change takes effect right away, and you'll see the interface update without needing to reload the page. If it doesn't update for some reason, a quick refresh should do it. You can revisit these settings anytime if you want to adjust the theme or experiment with different looks. While you're in the Chats area, remember you can also fine-tune things like chat wallpapers to complement the dark theme for an even more comfortable viewing experience. That's it. You've enabled dark mode in WhatsApp Web, making your chats cleaner, calmer, and easier on the eyes. Enjoy your new setup, and feel free to switch between dark and system default whenever your environment or preferences change.